Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the RV Kitchen. Tonight we're doing a dish called cracked chicken pasta, and it's going to be done in the Instant Pot again. And unfortunately, I was actually going to cook something tonight that wasn't in the Instant Pot. I was going to do a whole meal on the stove, but we're having some problems with the RV. You'll have to watch the video I post up here. We're actually parked right now because the roof partially ripped off of the RV. So I've been busy with that today, so it's going to be another quick Instant Pot meal. So cracked chicken, you're going to need chicken. I'll put the amounts over on the side. And we got some chopped bacon. We got a block of cream cheese, a pack of ranch dressing mix, 1 pound of penne pasta, some shredded cheddar cheese, water, chicken broth, and olive oil. And that's all you'll need for this one. Alright, so to get this one started, we're just going to put just a dash of olive oil, not much. Instant Pot is already hot, ready to go. And we're going to go in with the bacon. And we're going to saute the bacon until it's however you like it. We like our bacon a little crispy, so we're going to go a little long, get it all nice and crispy. You can go however you want with the bacon. Once the bacon is sauteed and as crispy as you like it, we're going to take the bacon out, set it aside, and then we're going to use the bacon grease to saute the chicken. Alright guys, we got the bacon done. My little handy dandy little rubber mitt. And we're going to scoop out the bacon. So we're actually going to use this amount. A little extra bacon grease ain't going to hurt nobody. Alright. Get the bacon out. Get the pot back in. Still on saute. We're going to add, I'm actually let the pot get hot again. Then we're going to add the chicken and the pack of ranch. And we'll go in with the chicken. I'll just stir this up and coat all the chicken with some bacon grease. That'll just keep everything from sticking. And then we'll sprinkle in the ranch. Again, another easy recipe. Pretty much anything in an Instant Pot is pretty easy, hence the word instant. You can do some complex things in it, but everything I've doing in it so far is simple. I'll do some other dishes, cooking on the stove, cooking on the grill outside. We'll do other things in the RV kitchen. But as I said in the intro, with our bad luck on Sundays with the RV, we're having another issue. So I didn't have time to do anything crazy. But I know everybody likes Instant Pot recipes anyway. Especially if you're in the RV. I know it's your favorite way to cook already. Ooh, that smells good. Again, this is about a pound of chicken to 1 pack of ranch dressing. We'll let that go for a few minutes. Then we'll come back and we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Alright, it's been about 3 minutes or so, 3 to 4 minutes. Chicken and ranch dressing is looking good. So now we're going to go ahead and add in the rest of the ingredients. So we got 1 package of cream cheese, and we got it kind of soft and diced up a little bit. So we'll just throw all this in there. I love cream cheese. Well, I love any cheese. Alright, throw that back there. And we're going to add the broth. water. And the pasta. So I'm going to stir this up a little bit, and we're going to put the lid on and pressure cook it. Find my lid back here. Alright, so make sure you're on seal. Lock your lid on. And we're going to go pressure cook. So pressure cook, high, 4 minutes. It's on seal. Everything's good. We'll come back whenever the 4 minutes is up and we'll do a quick release and then we'll add the other ingredients. And there goes the pressure. So while the pressure is releasing, we'll go ahead and get the cheese ready. So this is 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese and then our bacon bits that we cooked. Alright, we got the pressure released, buttons dropped. We're going to open it up. And when you pull the lid up, make sure you open it away from you so the remaining steam can escape out the back. Don't burn yourself. We're going to put the bacon back in. And the 2 cups of cheese. Alright, it's starting to thicken up a little bit. We're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. Let all the cheese get all melty and we'll see if it thickens up enough. So it's been sitting for about 5 minutes. You can see it's getting nice and thick. So we're going to call that done. So we're going to plate this up here in a bit. We're going to have it with our jalapeno cheese bread we picked up from where were we at? Jamesport, Missouri. We went to an Amish town there. Went to the Amish bakery. We got us jalapeno cheese bread. I'm going to slice this up, serve it with the cracked chicken. We'll see what it tastes like. Alright, so there you go. Cracked chicken pasta. Now if you've never heard of cracked chicken, this is kind of based off the recipe of the cracked chicken. If you have heard of it, this is just a pasta version of it. If not, don't worry, we're going to be doing the regular cracked chicken recipe. That's probably coming up real soon. We'll give this one a try. Hot. Jalapeno bread with some whipped butter. I'm going to get me a knife to get the bread hooked up. Throw me a little hot sauce in the pasta because that's just me. If you like this recipe, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch you in the next episode.